My name is Ralph Kunz. I am one of the owners of Copperhead Construction in Sandy, Utah, where we think that our percentages are X, Y, or Z. When you use a fine-tooth comb to roll through all of those numbers and see what is actually above the line or below the line, that's an eye-opener. When we first initially had our meeting with Fred and he went over our P&L and looking at all those numbers, I was shocked. I was like, wow, how have we made it this far? Obviously, there's the hand to mouth or rob Peter to pay Paul type stuff. I know a lot of businesses are struggling with that. We had at one point in time previously, and I'm sure a lot of other construction companies deal with it this way, that they've bid the project, they go do the project, they pay the bills, and at the end of the day, there's still money in the bank. We did good, right? But how are we tracking that? What does that look like? Can we look at in the past and go, if we'd have done this or we'd have done that, maybe we could have changed the outcome on this. Maybe this job was not a good fit. Maybe we should have walked away from that one. Did we do it just to keep our guys busy? We're here in business to make money, not just to stay busy. What I'm most excited about this year for our business is not only to be able to track and take a serious look at back costing, what and how we're doing that, what and how the process is working, and being able to look back at the data and let it speak for itself. Are we making those forward momentum steps, or are we not? I would absolutely recommend Aspire. For one, hey, it's free lunch. Go take advantage. The other part of it is, if all of us are upping our game and upping our process, we take ourselves out of the low end of construction and start giving a better name to ourselves, because we are business owners, we're members of the community, we all have family in construction. Let's look at bettering our process, bettering the conversation, bring more to the table. If all of my competitors are upping their game, that means that we're all making bigger leaps and bounds. In a competitive world, we want the competitive advantage. And I feel like that this is a process that helps us.